Skills bootcamps were devised by the Department for Education, they're funded by the Department for Education, and they're designed to actually rapidly upskill people in the area in new skill sets.
Our Skills Bootcamps training courses are available to people that are self-employed, unemployed, looking to change their career or in employment.
We do actually do a wraparound service for unemployed people. We do mock interviews, CV reviewing, and actually presentation into further education. We also work with many employment agencies and companies and refer the CV into it to get interviews for people and potentially get people into work.
As long as you are over the age of 19 years, you have the accessibility to attend our training course.
Because of the Department for Education subsidising the training, it makes the training really affordable.
So these programmes are available to anyone if you live or work in the Lancashire area, the Greater Manchester area, Cumbria, Cheshire and Warrington or Merseyside. And a big part of that is it's massively subsidised by the Department for Education so that we can help employers get onto the first step in 3D printing and digital technologies that really offer the chance to improve efficiencies and improve competitiveness for the business.
Once we've received your application form, we'll then send you the available dates for the online training modules. You have 16 weeks from your start date to complete all of the online modules.
We deliver a skills bootcamp in advanced manufacturing, 3D printing, 3D CAD, digital manufacturing and fourth industrial revolution technologies. It's a 60-hour programme, level 3 equivalent. Part of that course is we teach you 3D printing, we teach you robotics, automation, AI, AR, VR technologies, Internet of Things and cyber. And one of the things, you get a free 3D printer as part of that course so you can continue your learning or go straight into production activities after that.